Hey guys, welcome to Angie's Table. So today we're going to be making some Turkish bread, and there are many ways to enjoy this. Why? Sorry, no. I will show you guys two different ways to enjoy it. So I like it for breakfast with some honey and some hot tea, and my sister likes it as her dinner bread. So let's go and see what ingredients we'll need. First, we're gonna measure out all the dry ingredients. Okay, everything is zeroed out. So Today I'm gonna be using this rapid acting yeast. And there is a difference between these fast acting ones and the regular yeast, because this you don't have to proof beforehand, which means you let it sit in water so that the yeast rises. This acts instantly. So I'm gonna use this for the ease of it. And I'll do 2 tablespoons of the dry yeast. And then 2/3 teaspoon of some salt. So I'm just gonna mix this with a fork. Now let's get started on our wet ingredients. We'll add 150 mils of warm water. And the same amount of warm milk. Now I have a strainer with me, and I'm gonna sift in all the dry ingredients into the wet ingredients. So I poured about half of the dry ingredients, and we're gonna slowly do this until we form a dough. I'm getting a ball that's forming here, and everything's mixed in, so I'm gonna go ahead and add in my olive oil that I had pre-measured out. I'm gonna be kneading this for 10 minutes. Some of you guys might be wondering why I'm not using the stand mixer that I have in the back. A lot of us don't have a stand mixer available, because I wanted to show that this can be done without one. It's so tiring. So it's been about 10 minutes for me, thank God. And I'm going to cover this up, and we're going to put it in a room temp area and wait for an hour. Okay, so it has been about an hour, and I am just wiping down my surface because I'm gonna roll out the breads on the surface itself. So I retrieve my bowl of dough. 1, 2, 3, ta-da! Wow. Now that there's flour all over the work area, we're going to take out the dough and cut it into 6 pieces. I just roll these into 6 pieces. We will need a roller to flatten the pieces out into circles.
It's a rolling pin.
Oh, what did I say? A roller? Same thing. I'm stretching it out, and then it retreats back. That's the yeast working. So the fire has started, and let's put our first bread down. We're gonna make 3 breakfast breads and 3 dinner breads. We'll make the dinner ones first. So we'll need our chili powder, and I roughly chopped up some parsley, and we're gonna pour some olive oil in. I'm gonna drink some mint green tea. And that's how we make Turkish bread. So I hope you guys enjoyed this recipe. Make sure to like and subscribe and comment below for any questions, and we'll see you guys on our next video. Scale is a little weird.